Welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy, aka The Hammer. And on this channel I do travel vlogs, poker vlogs, nail, makeup, and hair tutorials. It would mean so much to me if you subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So with ombres, basically what we're really trying to do is blend one color into another. So I just have a test nail that I'm using here. And this has been really kind of fun playing around with some gel nail polish lately because with the pandemic, no one's been able to go into any kind of nail salons, and I used to get my nails done, every 2 weeks, and so it's been really actually kind of fun doing this. So I've just basically put the pink glitter on top, which is a Model 1's nail polish. It doesn't have a name on it or anything. And then the kind of yellow on the bottom, and that's from Chameleon Color. And I basically cured it for 30 seconds, blending it in, and now I'm just putting on a second coat. The Chameleon Color Soak Off Gel is number 011. I bought both of these off of Amazon, and I'll make sure to go ahead and link that down below. The key here is just making sure that you're blending the two at the point where they're meeting. And I have this really great brush, basically, that I also bought off of Amazon that enables me to have that done. And then I'm curing it again for another 30 seconds. Well, now that we've got it all encapsulated, what I wanted to do is add a little bit of glitter. It didn't really show up that much, but the glitter is from Gelish. I'll link it down below. Now we want to cure it for another 30 seconds. And then finally, I'm going to put a shiny top coat on top. So this time I want to cure it for 60 seconds just to make sure that it's fully cured. And now I'm just wiping off the sticky layer, and this is what it looks like. For years, going into a salon and then now transitioning to actually doing my own nails, it's actually been quite a lot of fun. And I'll be trying to put out videos every couple of weeks whenever I redo my nails. But do me a favor, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when my next video comes up. Thanks again. Bye.